model, 2017 Peugeot Expert Dispatch Professional Long Blue 2.0 HDI non-runner VAT inclusive in final price. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 147280. MOT, the 20th of December 2025. Engine, 1997 ccDW10FE. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, engine timing chain belt has slipped. Popping from intake whilst cranking straightforward repair if you know what you're doing, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 0 former keepers, cruise control, air con, parking sensors, electric windows, sat nav. Euro